Product packaging display multimeter. Test lead wire. Manual. Install to AAA batteries to turn on. Peel off the protective film. The current can be measured without breaking the wire, and the data hold button is easy to record. Remove the test pen protective cap. Long press to turn on. Long press to turn on the backlight. Auto automatically recognizes the measured resistance. There is a buzzer sound when connecting to both ends to prove that the line is connected. Beeping fuse is normal. If there is no beeping, it is damaged. 1.5V DC voltage measurement. Voltage regulator output voltage measurement high precision multimeter detection. Home AC voltage measurement. Flashlight illumination for easy measurement in dimly lit environments. Toggle in CV power sense when the nearby AC voltage is detected. The screen F will display LED red light will flash, and an alarm beep will sound.